Hi Scorpio, this is your girl, Mystic Mage Status, and welcome to your reading from July 1 to 15, 2025. So let's go ahead, take a look at your situation. So angels, and ano ba ang situation ni Scorpio this coming July 1 to 15, 2025. Okay, alright. So let's go ahead and dive in, Scorpio. So the first card, you do have the Hierophant in the reverse position, and the Nine of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands. So the first is Hierophant, which indicates a rebellion. There's a commitment issue. Maybe if you are in a relationship, there might be something going on with your issue, a trust issue for you and your partner. So, partner yan eh, di ba? Meron kayong boyfriend girl dyan. So, nakabaliktad. So, you do have this feeling of unsettlement for your partner. Maybe you are afraid, you are worried with your partner. Ganon. I don't know kung ano. And, if this is um, in a career or financial situation, then the Hierophant indicates a rules of something. Uh, you might be careless or rejecting a structure. There might be a financial habits na kailangan yung iwasan. So maybe you are spending more than you earned. So you have to take a look at your financial situation also. And you have to um, anong tawag dito? Dito sa career mo, you have to reevaluate yung mga job mo kung wala ka bang nilabag na batas. Ganun. I see something breaking rules or there's a poor advice maybe from your co-workmates. Parang wala kang masyadong naiintindihan sa mga sinasabi nila na ina-advise nila sa iyo. Poor communication, parang ganun. And the second week, we have the Nine of Pentacles. Wow, this Nine of Pentacles indicates self-love and independence. You have this luxury, and I feel that you are poured with abundance and prosperity in your lives. You are being guided through success. There's a financial abundance going on, a reward of something na pinaghirapan niyo talaga. And you can finally say that I'm on that top of the world and you are very happy and you are very happy to have this job or this opportunity na paparating sa inyo. Because you feel enjoyed, I think you are going to have a success in this situation in July, and there might be an opportunity coming, a career success, independence, business, kung ano man yung um, naiisip nyo ngayon. So there's abundance coming in, you do have this fruits, tingnan nyo, sobrang right na nila, tatandaan nyo yung pera, and you are happy, and you are planning on a vacation, something like that. Enjoy yourself. So at the end of the July 15, you have the Knight of Wands. Wow. So the Knight of Wands indicates the passion, and it's a spontaneous growth of romance with your love life. If you're in a relationship, or a progress or growth in your career, job changes or action, there's a quick decision making that you're going to make. But I know you're going to make it because you are very, you are a very talented person and you make the most out of it. Parang kung ano yung binibigyan nila, tina-times fold mo. Ganun. Kaya you are super blessed because you are a type of person na mabait at parang you just enjoy life. Parang ganun. Basta wag lang kayo i-betrayed. Ganun. Ang ganda ng basa sa inyo, Scorpio. But be wary about this one, the Hierophant in reverse position, because sa pagpasok ng July, there might be some rules na kailangan mo ulit basahin. Hindi naman siya masyadong masama. This is just a reminder to pagtunan yung muna ng pansin. Parang pagbabalik tanaw sa mga rules, regulation, ganun, at sa mga advice ng mga co-workmates mo. Okay? So, yun lang. Wait lang. Meron pa pa. Sorry, Scorpio. So, I have here the Mystic Forest Oracle cards to guide you in your situation. So, enjoy. What's your guidance for Scorpio this coming July 1 to 15, 2025? Okay. Ooh, energetic. Ooh. Parang shine. Shine siya. Energetic pool. A true master knows that you create through your actions. Do not hesitate when you feel the energy pulling you. Follow it fearlessly and move worlds. Wow, ang ganda. So, yun na nga, sinabi ko sa inyo, there's success coming in your way and you have this energetic pull down to put you to that situation na para sa inyo talaga because you deserve it. You work so hard for it. And you are, kaya ngayon, biniblessed na kayo because you deserve it. You work hard for it. And there's an energy pulling you towards that success because you are meant to success in life. Okay? Scorpio, ang ganda. Okay? Thank you for watching, Scorpio. I hope it resonates you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you soon on the next video. Thanks. Bye.